This is... Our roads are different. Wow. So, how long it takes you to come drive here?
From Scheveningen in the morning, when I go early at 6:30, it's 25 minutes.
Okay.
But if I'm 10 or 15 minutes later, so 6:45, then it takes me 45 minutes
45
till an
minutes.
hour's traffic jam.
So similar in the public transport.
Yeah. But
Nice.
I don't want to waste my time, and I'm always early when there's no one in the office. So I
Ah,
can prepare my day. So that's good.
beautiful.
And this way, I always take the highway, but now we're going in between because my appointment is on the other side of The Hague.
Aha.
On the other, Kijkduin. I don't know. That's also on the beach, but far south from Scheveningen.
And yeah, I can see we don't have heaters in our car. Even if we do,
No, you don't need one.
we don't need one.
Now here we do need heaters.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Yeah, it's all Christmas station, Sky Radio.
Yes.
And there's the World Heritage Center where have you been?
Yeah.